Hey my friends, guess what? Okay, I'm right out of the shower. My skin is so dry. There's something about hyaluronic acid that you might not know. In fact, most of my clients, until I drive it into their head, actually didn't know. And they said hyaluronic acid dried their skin out, but that's because they were using it wrong. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It is not a moisturizer, and it will not moisturize your skin on its own. I'm just gonna give you a short little video on hyaluronic acid and some things you might not know and how to use it properly and how to layer it, okay? So stay tuned, here we go. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified when I put up who knows what video. Okay, I'm right out of the shower. My skin is so dry and I'm about to use my skincare. If you're not using hyaluronic properly, you could be drying your skin out. So most people know that hyaluronic acid is a humectant and it absorbs 1,000 times its weight in moisture. Most people are savvy enough to know that. So the first product that I'm going to use on my face is my hyaluronic serum from Intraceuticals. But my face is really dry. So if I put this on and it absorbs 1,000 times its weight in moisture, where's that moisture coming from? Deep within my skin, pulling it out, drying my skin out even more because it's pulling it to the surface instead of drying it from an outside source, right? And most of our skincare doesn't have enough water to really put that much moisture in our skin. So here's the trick. When you get out of the shower or you've just washed your face, don't dry your face off completely. What you want to do is leave it a little bit moist so that when you put your hyaluronic acid on, then it's got that moisture to draw into itself and it's not going to dry you out. Now my little trick I love, because I don't like all that chlorinated water on my face because all our water has chlorine in it and that is so bad for your skin. So what I do, I use this one from Sweet Essentials. I ordered it on Amazon. It's about $9. And since it's food grade and it's organic, I think it's better than normal skincare products because you can eat this and skincare products you can't. So that means it probably has chemicals in it. This doesn't. So I just take the rose water and I rub it all over my face. And rose water is so good for your skin anyway. It has so many amazing properties. Don't forget your neck. And I have a shirt on. So normally I just have a towel, but I do have a shirt on. So I put this all over my face, and before it totally dries out, then I use my hot hyaluronic serum. So whatever serum you're using that has hyaluronic acid in it, that should be your first product anyway. You want to put it on a moist face, and that way it can absorb the moisture from the water or your rose water. Okay, so after you get your hyaluronic serum on, then I usually use some kind of a hydration, something that's an aloe vera base. This is also Intraceuticals because I'm obsessed with them. You want to put some kind of a hydration product on the top of your hyaluronic. So you're almost sandwiching the liquid in your skin with the hyaluronic and then a hydration gel on the top. And then your cream on top of that, which protects you. So then I just put my cream on and good to go. And another thing that I do when I'm using hyaluronic is I actually have another container of this that I put a little spray bottle on, and you can mist your face during the day. Now, if you live in the South where it's really super humid, all you Southern girls, you don't need this because your air has a lot of humidity. But if you live in Arizona, if you live in Southern California like I do, we have lizard skin. So if you carry some rose water, which is an amazing hydrator, just spray that on your face. So rose water is an amazing aromatherapy for the senses. And so all of us women who get stressed out and life is just really crazy sometimes, the smell of rose actually really calms down the female emotional system. So rose water is really great to use. Products that break your skin down, lactic acid, glycolic, salicylic, TCAs, different things like that, those actually require your skin, retinols, those require your skin to be really dry so it can just dive in there deeper. But when you're trying to protect your skin, you want as much moisture on your skin as possible. And you will find if your skin is moist when you put it on, you are going to be so much more successful using hyaluronic acid. And we know that dehydrated skin is one of the major factors besides the sun in aging. So if you can keep your skin hydrated all the time, your skin is not going to age as quickly. Okay? And I want all you girls and guys to have amazing young skin as long as you can. So I will see you on the next video. Oh, and stay tuned. I am making a DIY serum. It's a serum I use in my facials that is so fabulous. And it's very inexpensive to make, and it works so well. And right now we probably all need to have some DIY products, just either to save money or we have time to make them. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.